In this video, we'll show you how to open ThirdEye's ThermalEye solution and demonstrate a few of its functionalities. First, navigate to the ThermalEye application on your home screen and select it to open. Make sure your FLIR camera is turned on and plugged into the USB-C port on your glasses. Your device will ask you for permission to use the FLIR One camera. Click OK to allow access. Make sure to let the camera warm up. This process takes around 1 to 2 minutes. On the dashboard, you can see all of ThermalEye's functionalities. On the top left, you'll see the temperature unit and spot meter toggle buttons. Below those, you can see the button to switch between meter view and fever vision. The bottom of the left side menu contains 2 fields. One where you can enter the emissivity of an object you're targeting, as well as the ambient air temperature in the room. Accurate entries in these boxes are important for correct thermal readings. On the top right, depending on what mode you've set ThermalEye to, you can see one of 2 selections. In fever vision, you'll be shown a field that can be set to trigger an alarm when a measured temperature goes above a set threshold. In meter view, this is replaced with the color palette selector. Finally, no matter what mode you're in, you'll see buttons to record what you're seeing, capture a photo, or exit the application. Keep in mind that the FLIR One camera has a deviation of plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius.